How much time do you spend calling or texting staff trying to fill shifts? What about managing shift swaps, time off, and staff budgets? Does everyone know the schedule? Proper staffing can make or break the guest experience and your club's success. You need scheduling to be as easy and accurate as possible, and you're not alone. Meet James, the GM at Red Oaks. He's frustrated by the daily storm of scheduling challenges. There are so many departments, and each one does their own schedule their own way. Are all the shifts full? Any overtime? Does everyone know the schedule? James isn't sure. Oh no, the big Cornblatt wedding is Saturday and 6 of the banquet staff just called out with COVID. Hang on, the annual golf tournament's also Saturday. It's going to get rained out. We have to let the team know, and maybe some of those employees can help at the wedding. Lisa requested time off, but Lucas requested more shifts to pick up some extra cash. Ugh, does scheduling need to be so complicated? On top of all this, turnover is up and the staff feels disconnected. James is overwhelmed and frustrated. There has to be a better way. Enter SchedulePop. SchedulePop makes it easy to set up and operate schedules for separate departments. As GM, James can see everything in one place. Making things even easier, SchedulePop is integrated directly with Golf Genius, giving your club instant access to a powerful staff scheduling, management, and budgeting platform. With built-in budget tools and overtime tracking, James gets accurate, real-time views of the budget and can squash overtime before it gets assigned. Billy, the banquet manager, loves SchedulePop's manager app. With a couple of taps, the employees with COVID who are supposed to work the wedding are quarantined. Their shifts are made available automatically to the rest of the staff. Also on the manager app, Gary the golf pro cancels the tournament staff schedule and approves Lisa's time off request, which she submitted via SchedulePop's staff app. Look, on the staff app, employees see they no longer have to work the golf tourney and can pick up the newly opened wedding shifts, including Lucas, who needed extra cash. Nice! The Cornblatt wedding is saved, and no expensive temp agency was needed. James is feeling great. So much time, money, and stress was saved by using SchedulePop. Retention is on its way up, and everyone is happier. Wait until they hear about SchedulePop's Early Pay app, where staff can request to get paid between paychecks. James thinks scheduling is a breeze now. Good things are popping at Red Oaks.